Welcome to Garden 1 Plant. I garden in Northern California, Zone 9B. I extended this bed a little bit to add a few plants. Here's an update on those plants. They did not make it. What I had planted on there was salvia and dahlias. This bed is in the middle of my lawn, so it gets overhead water. I decided to stencil the bird bath. This is the end result to the stenciling of the bird bath. I will be adding daylilies. I do see that they are good with overhead watering. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.